Hi kids, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So let's go kids. J, J is for zebra. Y, Y is for yak. X, X is for X-ray fish. W, W is for watermelon. V, letter V, V is for fan. U, U is for umbrella. T, T is for tiger. S, S is for strawberry. R, R is for rabbit. Q, Q is for queen. P, P is for panda. O, O is for orange. N, N is for nut. M, M is for monkey. L, L is for lion. K, K is for king. J, J is for jellyfish. I is for ice cream. H, H is for house. Z, Z is for gorilla. Please subscribe this channel. F, F is for fox. E, E is for elephant. D, D is for dog. C, C is for crab. D, D is for deer. A is for apple.